Today on GeekBeat, Forest Flash scaling up MrBeast and Mark Roberts' TeamTrees, hybrid solar, wind and wave energy platform, time-stamping memories, SpaceX's lacquer problem, and updates from Tesla's self-driving beta. MrBeast and Mark Roberts' TeamTrees goal was to plant 20 million trees, but that's just small change. Forest Flash, a drone-using tree planting startup, is planning to plant 1 billion trees by 2028. To plant or repair a forest, the drones first scan the area, picking out the most suitable locations. Using pods with seeds from local area trees designed to store moisture and nutrients to support healthy growth, the drones use a pneumatic firing device to shoot the seeds underground. To achieve its goal, Forest Flash aims to lower the planting cost per tree to 50 cents. SeaPower, a German green energy startup, began building and testing the world's first ocean hybrid platform. To maximize power generation, the floating platform harvests a combination of wave, wind, and solar energy. To protect the equipment against the corrosive nature of seawater, the hardware was designed to IP68 certification. With a modular design, the platform could generate between 80 kilowatts to 2 megawatts of portable energy. Brain cells in charge of keeping memory replay in chronological order were recently discovered in humans. Using electrodes implanted in the brain's hippocampus region of patients awaiting surgery for severe epilepsy, researchers found a small number of cells that would fire at a specific time when a patient recited a learned sequence of words. These findings would explain why people suffering with hippocampal lesions have difficulty remembering sequences of events. During a recent SpaceX Falcon 9 launch attempt, 2 of the 9 rocket engines ignited early, triggering an automatic abort. The engines were taken to SpaceX McGregor, Texas test site, where technicians were able to replicate the problem. A relief valve within the gas generator was clogged with a masking lacquer applied during an anodizing process. Every engine in SpaceX's fleet was tested to ensure future launches would not suffer from this issue. As is expected from a beta version, there are still some kinks to iron out. Early reporting of Tesla's full self-driving beta includes cases where the car was too slow to change lanes, nearly driving off the road, going through red lights, stopping too early in intersections, missed turns, nearly rear-ending a parked car, making turns from the wrong lane, and driving fast over speed bumps. Data being collected in this early testing period is expected to help train the system to work through such issues toward the final goal of fully autonomous driving.
Thank you for watching. All articles are linked in the description. Want more geek bits? Like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell.